Like this got me thoroughly cleansed and smelling so fresh and amazing. Plus, utmost health benefits this has to your system. So, very quickly, before we get into the benefits, the first ingredient I use is grapes. I use these red grapes because they contain this very powerful enzyme, resveratrol, very good at cleansing your system, very good for longevity. Plus, they are loaded with a lot of antioxidants, and you need antioxidants to freshen up your skin from the inside. When most especially if you have suffered from the effects of free radical damage, of which we do because we expose our bodies all the time, it is good to consume antioxidants to revive your skin from the inside. This is very powerful. So this is it. What you need is half a cup of grapes. You slice them and set aside so you can get them really infused in our drink. So the second ingredient I use is lemon. When you talk of cleansing, detoxing, flushing the system, you always need to add some lemons. This helps to flush and freshen up your pores, freshen up your skin. Like citrus fruits, they are good at bringing freshness into your skin by cleansing your pores, cleansing gases out of your system, bad smells budging out and making you not smell fresh. This is very powerful at that. So this is one lemon. You squeeze the juice and set it aside, or you squeeze the juice and set aside. The third ingredient is another very powerful citrus fruit, which is orange. Oranges equally help to cleanse and flush your system, freshen up your pores as well, leave in the vitamin C, which is a form of antioxidant, to leave your skin so healthy and fresh from the inside. Like this is so nourishing, will leave a lot of nutrients into your system as well. All the antioxidants you need are found here. Vitamin C, which is very powerful for healthy, fresh skin from the inside. So this is it. One orange juice, you squeeze the juice from one orange, set this aside as well. That very powerful ingredient that will cleanse, flush everything all out, budging ugly smells, is ginger. This is very good because it contains anti-inflammatory properties to flush your system of all those gases in your system, budging ugly smells, cleanse your pores and leave them smelling so fresh and amazing. Like this is so powerful. Ginger very good at refreshing your skin and from the inside, and you smell so good, very cleansing. So what you want to do is to get 2 thumb sizes of ginger. Go ahead and use your grate to grate the ginger so we can get the ginger juice out of these, or you can blend it. So depending on you, I just want to make everything fast and manually so you can see. So go ahead and get a thumb size of ginger, grate, and once you're done grating the ginger, the next thing you want to do is to add in half a cup of water. So add in half a cup of water. This way you squeeze and get your ginger juice out of this, as easy as that. Yeah, so this is what you want to do, and you're good. Squeeze it all out, and ginger juice very good. As soon as you drink just this ginger juice, it freshens you up. You feel that freshness from within. The next very powerful ingredient is berries. So strawberries are very good if you want to smell good from the inside, freshen up, cleanse your pores, cleanse your skin from the inside. You want to fall in love with some berries. That is because they contain a lot of antioxidants you need to fight the effects of free radical causing ugly smells. Plus this freshens you up. The beautiful smell from berries will just make you smell like a very amazing. So this is it. The next thing you need is your 2 liters. Like you normally need to drink 2 liters of water a day. This is what I use to make my cleanse with, so I indirectly make sure I'm drinking my water a day. Plus it cleanses and refreshes me, leaving nutrients and vitamins into my system. Like this is so good. So I add in some ice cubes. Go ahead and add in the grapes, add in the strawberries in your jar. This is the ginger juice. So this is like half a cup of ginger juice. Remember, we made it with half a cup of water. So half a cup of ginger juice, in case you already have ginger juice at home. That is the 1 lemon, the squeezed 1 lemon juice. You add it in there. the juice from the one orange, this is powerhouse. Like, you will smell like roses, you will smell so fresh, you will smell so amazing. This is very cleansing and detoxifying. This will leave in so many nutrients into your system, vitamins, minerals, leave your body smelling so fresh, flush and cleanse you out for utmost health. Like, this is so good. Yeah, this is so good. So you want to mix everything all nicely and go ahead and start enjoying. You can serve in your cup, drink throughout the day, like just like you're drinking your water regularly throughout the day. Trust me, you will be smelling so amazingly fresh. Plus, all the nutrients, the vitamins and minerals in all these fruits, you will have them all in your system. And the best thing about this is you go ahead and eat your fruits. When you're done, you eat your fruits. That is a form of having you eat your fruits as well. So all the vitamin C from these fruits, all the antioxidants, you have them in your system for utmost health. Yeah, so this is it. Enjoy, share the video with your family and friends, and make sure you're drinking your water as well. Make sure you're drinking at least 2 liters of water a day. Water is the cheapest cleanse you can find at your home. That will help to leave your skin so fresh. This is what cleanses you naturally without you having to spend a lot of money. Water is that cheapest cleanse. I can't reiterate enough. This helps you digest your food so nothing stores up, converting into toxins and purging ugly smells out of your body. Plus, it freshens you up, refreshes your pores. You know how when you drink water, you feel so fresh? That is because it leaves in that freshness, that hydration from the inside, and you feel so. Like, when you don't drink water, you tend to stink. You have body odor because you don't cleanse naturally. People who don't drink water, take note, they always smell so bad because water cleanses you and you are just so fresh. So make sure you're drinking your water, at least 2 liters of water a day, and try this recipe. Most especially, this recipe is so powerful. It would not only cleanse you, but it would leave a lot of nutrients into your system, vitamins and minerals, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, like a lot of vitamins and minerals you need for beautiful, healthy skin. Plus, will cleanse you up and have you smelling so fresh. No body odor, like the ugly of body odor is all gone and you're smelling so nice. So try this recipe, come back and tell me how you feel about it. These are the recipes I go for to smell so fresh with healthy fresh skin and always amazing. Like, this will have your friends always have you so fresh around them without that ugly odor that pushes people away from you. So try this, come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I will see you again in my next video.